Hey guys, this is Chad with Pure Media Systems. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're out in Carrollton, Texas, and we're doing a 7.1 Klipsch theater room with a Samsung 8K TV. Stay tuned after the intro and we'll tell you all about what we're doing. All right, guys, so we've got you zoomed out here. We've got all of our equipment, most of our equipment staged up here. So we've got full Klipsch system here. We're doing the RP8000F towers with the RP504C center channel. These are in the walnut finish. We've got two of the SPL 120 12-inch subwoofers. We have an 85-inch Samsung QN900A. This is the Neo QLED 8K TV. This is Samsung's flagship TV that they make. We've got the Denon AVRX 3700H to power everything. Around back here, we're going to have the center speaker on the Sanus SFC 18-B1. This is the 18-inch center channel speaker stand. We're going to have the strong SRFS system DC 15U. This is the compact 15U FS series rack you see us using in a lot of our videos. We have worked with the contractor here. I'll overlay some pictures here, but there used to be a full, back in the 80s, a lot of the homes in the DFW area had a lot of built-in cabinets, and this was all nice wood built-in cabinets that they had pulled out. So all the way back here, this was full to the ceiling cabinets. Around back, this is the same. So there was built-ins here all the way underneath the windows, and another one here. The contractor has pulled all the cabinets out and retextured, painted and everything. This room, all new carpet. We worked with the contractor along the way, so we know exactly where we're going to have the seats in here. We're going to have full 4 seats of Octane Strata coming across here. Those should be delivered any day. And behind this, we're going to have a bar and bar stools. Customer watched a lot of sports, so that's the primary focus here. We'll still be able to have a nice surround sound theater experience when they want to watch movies, mostly big sport watchers here. So we've got it pre-wired already here. So we've got the front left, center right. We're going to have the TV mounted on the wall right here. And then we've got it pre-wired. There's going to be a 7-channel, 7.1 configuration or 7.2 with the Pro 25 RW LCR from Klipsch. It's right here. So it's got two 5¼ inch woofers and a pivoting horn right here. So it pivots. The speakers in a keyhole here, so it can actually, I'll show you how well these install. But we've got them pre-wired. You can see we've got the speaker cable here, and everything is ready. So if we come around here, there's a closet on the other side of this wall. So we've got it all pre-wired here. We're gonna have the rack right here. So everything's coming in here, it can be housed nicely. We're gonna have everything controlled from a Control4 EA1 system. So one button to control everything, or one remote to control everything, use their apps on their phones, whatever they want to do. So we're going to get to work. We've already started unboxing and get everything going, but we're going to get everything installed so that we can show you those next steps. So for those of you who have not watched, or are new to our channel rather, you know that we really like to pre-wire rooms when we can, or houses, backyards, whatever we're working on. It makes the installation a lot easier on install day. So we've already got all the speaker wire pre-wired in this room. So all the holes are already cut, as you can see. We've already shown you, so we don't actually have to come in now that the carpet's in and everything else. There's minimal cutting other than placement for the TV, drilling the holes and everything to mount the TV. Very minimal cutting and drilling in this room now. So it's a lot faster to be able to go in if we have to drill other access holes or anything to get up into the attic on exterior walls like we have here. This is all exterior walls and this is all roof line. So we may have to cut access holes here, for example, to be able to get up into the attic, and that way you don't have to have your drywallers come in and repaint a room after it's already done. We've already got everything done, rooms painted how the customer wanted, and everything is done. So we've worked with them along the way with the customer as well as the contractors. All right, so we've got 3 of the 4 speakers installed. I'm going to go ahead and show you some how these speakers are. So the grills are magnetic and bezel-less, so you can see all the way around. It go ahead and zoom in a little bit. It is a really nice low-profile finish. It literally just covers to where barely coming off of the wall. Comes right off. It is fully paintable. You just take off the felt here and you can spray paint it. Highly recommend spray painting the grills rather than using a roller. So the speaker here, we got the 2 5 1/4 inch woofers and then the pivoting horn, as you can see here. Now one thing you can do is if you need to paint the room, for example, you can actually top off that grill, and we've got paint shields. So they're magnetic as well. They just pop right on. And now you can roll, paint the room, spray the room, whatever you need to do, without having to worry about taking the speakers out. This is one of the advantages of using the Pro line of Klipsch speakers. So if you're in the DFW area, of course, contact us about getting your Pro line of Klipsch speakers. This is on the Pro 25 RW LCRs, anything with Pro in front of it. So we've got the Pro 25, and then you've got the Pro 250. So this is the reference and the reference Premier. So any of those Pro or reference Premier in walls have all of these features. So pop this back off, and then we can grab the grill and pop it right back on, just like so. Now, this is the speaker here, or this is the bracket. So it's actually a separate piece. The bracket goes in, and you've got the dog ears here. So you can see right in here, the dog ear goes in and locks in. You tighten these up a bit so that you don't have the full length of speaker or of the screw out there. Now this is going to be the same for the in-ceiling, the round speakers as well. From here, we've got the speaker cable already stripped. And we can grab the speaker, and from here we would go right in the back. You see the nice spring terminals here, so we can push down on here. Of course, there are gold-plated terminals on here, so really nice. You see it says Pro 25 RW. So, well, from here we can put the speaker cable into the speaker, and go ahead and show you how the speaker goes in. So it will just sit right. You put the screws into the keyholes here. The speakers actually have these Velcro straps that you can use to grab the speakers. So you can see one on the bottom and one on the top here. So you can use them to pull it out. Now you can see you've got the keyholes locked and unlocked. So the screws go on here, or you put the speaker right in, and then it settles down, and you can just lock them in here. So once you screw this in, it locks the speaker in, you put the grill right on. All right, guys, just a status update. We've got the center speaker stand built. We've got all the boxes stacked up over here to break down for the customer. Got our center channel stand built with the center channel RP 504C. Got the RP 8000Fs here. Got them all connected and everything. I've got the banana plugs on the cable for all the speakers. Got the bracket for the TV hung. This is the SMCB-TXL. This is the strong carbon series tilt mount. This thing can hold up to 200 pounds. It's rated for, they say, 49 to 90 inches. On here, I'll go ahead and show you the box here. So we've got this right here. We've got the, what's really nice about these, it's got a really nice big arms. We've got the ratcheting levers for the locks or the tilts. We have the pull strings here for the locks are actually, to unlock the bracket, it's actually got a magnet on the bottom of them, so you don't have to worry about having hooks. Some of the other brands have like hooks that you have to get the little loop on. This is easy. You can just pop it right there, or use a long hook, or any number of different things to get that locked on. I apologize about the background noise. Got some other workers in the house here. So we've got the port for the One Connect cable there. So got everything ready to get hung, and so we're going to get the TV on the wall. All right, guys, well, jumping forward a little bit, apologize. We just got to work and, of course, skip forward, and we're pretty much done now. We just got a little bit of cleanup to do, but we're going to show you everything we've got done and give you a little demo. So I'm going to put the camera on and show you everything we got. All right, so zoom out here. We've got 3 of the seats in. We're waiting for the last seat to arrive and get upstairs. But we're going to have 4 across of the Octane Strata. So as you know, we are a Octane authorized retailer, as we are for pretty much everything, or everything that you see in this room. So we've got the 3 seats here. We've got the 1 more coming in right here. So it'll be 4 across. These are the real Italian leather LHR series, which is the power lumbar, headrest, and recline. So it's, we've got the buttons here, which you can press any of these and it will adjust those settings accordingly. So every seat has their own individual aluminum cup holder, which does remove, which is really nice. So if you ever spill a drink or anything, this comes out. Notice there's no buttons here. So you're not stuck here. You don't get the sticky buttons or anything from spilling drinks or water or anything. Here's your accessory dock. So tables, cup holders, wine glass holders, anything can fit right in here in the aluminum dock. We've got, each seat has its own cup holder and control and everything else. We've got around back here, we've got 2 SPL 120s, and these are using the Episode wireless subwoofer kits. So we can have these anywhere in the room that there is power. We've got 4 of the Pro 250, the Pro 25 RW LCR in-wall speakers. We've got a nice wide dispersion pattern, magnetic grill. Got 4 of those. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Customers having a bar put in here with bar stools, so it'll be a nice environment for everyone here. That's why we have a 7-1 configuration. We, of course, over here have the 2 RP8000Fs and the RP504C on a Santa centered speaker stand. This is the QN85Q and 900A. So this is the flagship Samsung TV. This is their 8K model. Around the corner here in the closet, and of course we did pre-wire and everything else. That's why everything is so clean here. In this closet we have the FS series rack, the 15U rack here. So in the rack we've got several components. We have here the Control4 EA1, Arachnus 8-port switch, of course our Kaleidescape Strato server. We've got the One Connect box for the AKTV, our Roku Ultra up here as well. We've got our Denon 3700H, this is the AVRX 3700H, and our AC Infinity T8 with a rear firing fan. So this sucks the air up off the receiver and pulls it back. So it creates a chimney effect, and the 2 cool component fans that are built into the FS series racks here, it vents out. So we'll give you a quick demo of the Control4 and the Kaleidescape here. So we're going to grab our SR260 remote. Of course, we've got watch and got all of our options. Of course, with Roku's, we get IP control. So we can have quick launches to all their favorite apps. And we select, let's see, hit watch, and we want to go to Netflix. So you can hit Netflix, hit select. It will automatically turn the TV on, turn the receiver on, activate the Roku and everything, and go right to the Netflix app. If we want to go to Prime, for example, we can just go right to Prime, and it automatically launches that app. We don't actually even have to go to anything, go into the menus. Of course, you still can, but let's say we want to go to our Kaleidescape. So we're launching our Kaleidescape here, and of course we got our menus. This is all in 4K, 60. Everything is, all the menus are 4K. This shows some of the options that we have here, of course. So it will automatically reorganize your movie collection to have or similar content if you'd like, or you can have it set to automatically to not adjust and be in alphabetical order. So let's say we want to go to Spider-Man No Way Home. It will automatically rearrange and have all of our similar type of movies. So we've got like Black Panther and Avengers Endgame and everything, and Deadpool, all the Marvel stuff right here. So we can navigate around, and let's say we want to go to do a demo. We can go launch our demo here. So let's say we want to go and we'll have a demo. We'll go and sit down and we'll have a demo here starting shortly. So we can hit All right, guys, well, thanks for tuning in. If you're in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex and you're looking for a system like this, please contact us at 972-905-0556 or email sales@puremediasystems.com. We are authorized dealers for all the products you see here, like we said before. We can help set you up with the ideal system for your budget and your goals and what kind of experience you want. Kaleidescape is one of our newest acquisitions here, so this is the highest possible quality that you can have for consuming media in your home. They have contracts with the studios to where they effectively get master copies from the studios and format them for your home use here. So significantly better quality than you can get anywhere else, period. So give us a call if you're interested in a demo of this type of system. So look forward to getting that next video out. Please consider subscribing, give us a big thumbs up, and hit that bell icon to get notified of future videos. Thanks.